Instance metadata and user. Instance metadata consists of the data about the instance. So whenever the cloud user creates EC2 instance, the information associated with the instance are said to be metadata. It consists of instance ID, state of the instance, public IP, private IP, key pair, security group, all these information. So basically the different categories of instance metadata are host name, event, security group. The instance metadata can be used to access the user data. So once we launch the instance by using AMI means Amazon Machine Image, and user use this data to modify the configuration file supplied at the launching time. So during launching time we can set our information, we can set the parameter and create the instance accordingly. EC2 instance also include the dynamic data, which basically include the instance identity document, and which helps in generating or launching the instance. So as we know, the instance can be launched by passing the parameters like AMI, instance type, EVS volume, configuration setting, security group setting, okay, PPC. So all these things the user needs to pass. After successful passing of all the required parameter, the instance can be created by using EC2 service of AWS. And when we click on the instance, it will show the metadata related to that instance.